Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about the cable. So I'll be showing you different variation of a cable or different types of cable. So we'll be talking about mostly about the cable with the screen. They have screen. I have maybe different versions of it. So we'll talk about the best, the one that is 60 watt, the one that is 100 watt, the best particular one for you, the one that I will recommend for you to buy. So sit down and watch the video.
The first thing you will notice is the braided design. Both cables come with a strong nylon braided exterior that immediately feels better than the cheap cables usually get inside the devices of many. So when buying a charging cable, most people look at the price, but not all cables perform the same. Some cables can deliver more power, charging faster and work better with devices. Today I'm testing 3 different cables to see how this performs in real life. I'm using Xiaomi power bank with display so you can see the wattage is going through each cable. We test them on a fan, another power bank, and finally on some Soundcore earbuds. So in different ways we actually. Before we start testing, let's look at the cables. All 3 cables look similar at first glance, but the real difference is what happens when they are connected to a device. A cable may look good on the outside, but what matters most is how much power it can actually deliver. That's exactly what we are going to find out now. Now let's move to the Soundcore speaker. I'm connecting each cable one another and checking the wattage shown on the wire display. This gives us another real world example of how these cables perform with everyday devices. Most people charge speaker regularly, so this is the test that is very practical. Again, watch the display closely as I switch between cables and you can see where watt is entering. For the first time, I'm using London handheld fan. I'm connecting the cable to my Xiaomi power bank and the display is showing the charging wattage in real time. This is a good way to show how much power the fan is receiving through each cable. As you can see on the screen, the wattage changes depending on the cable being used. The fan works all day time. The fan works with all of them, but some cables are delivering power more efficiently compared to the others. Now next, I'm charging a Oraimo power bank using the Xiaomi power bank. This helps you see how much the power is flowing from one power bank to the other. I pay attention to the display of the wire. The number you see is the actual wattage being delivered through the cable. First, I'm testing the Tokyo cable. Now I'm switching to different brand. It's not exactly Tokyo cable, but I'm moving through brands so you can see how it works. And finally, the Tech cable. This comparison makes it easier for you to see. There is a difference in power delivery between all these cables. Sometimes cable may look almost identical, but the charging performance can be very different depending on the particular. As you can see from the display, the cables are 3. They have the Tokyo, the 2 different versions of it. We have the tallest cable, so 3 of them carry different watts. So one of them is 60 watts, 2 of them are 100 watts. So they carry currency different depending on the one. And for the final charging test, I'm using my Soundcore earbuds. Earbud doesn't require a lot of power, but this test helps you show that all cables can still charge smaller devices properly. I'm connecting each cable and checking the power reading. For everyday accessory like earbuds, most cables will work fine, but still interesting to see the result side by side. And from the cable, you can even see the watt. And so after testing these cables with handheld fan, power bank, speaker and earbuds, we can see that not all cables perform exactly the same. The Xiaomi power bank display gives us a clear picture of how much power a cable is delivering. If you are buying a cable and don't just focus on appearance, a good cable should be durable, reliable and capable of delivering power that your device actually needs. So as you watch these close-up shots of the cable, let me know in the comment section which one you think performed the best. Have you ever used of this cable? I would love to hear your experience. If you enjoyed this video, found this helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.